Hello, good to see you.
Yeah, too.
Good to see you. Oh, I don't know where it shows, but
Bus stop.
it shows the bus stop. Okay. Sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning. Tarmo, obviously.
TJ here.
It's here. What's our plans today?
Go for a country walk. And cashing as well.
Okay. So, in essence, we are right now in Chelmsford, but we are
Sandon.
in little-known part, Sandon.
The little village it's called.
Yes, there's too many villages around here
Yes.
apparently. So Sandon, if you look the map of Chelmsford, we are in southeast area of Chelmsford. So we've visited now Sandon Church Micro, and I thought that you had to find this one, but what happened?
There was a technical hitch on my phone.
So what was the hitch then?
It thought it found it years ago and it happened.
So apparently actually has found that geocache 12 years ago and he can't remember any of it.
Today I have.
Yes.
With my friend.
So we actually used the trusty stamp because the logbook was quite soggy, yes.
And mouldy.
Yeah. But anyway, we are now heading to that way, which is down this road. And why we're going there is very easy.
Because they got one there.
One there, it's the village sign cache.
Village sign.
Yes.
Always.
We need to get this log seat out from here, obviously.
Super.
Job well done, like they say.
Yeah, always. Amazing.
We are now approaching on today's second geocache location. Well, for me actually it's already been found, but this time it's part of the Stumped series, which is quite recent and been put out probably a month ago or so.
Must have been.
Must have been. I'm not giving the game away. For you this is new. So try to not to use the hint and try to find the geocache from this location here. Any luck? Where would you hide it?
On the floor.
Nah, I think this is wrong host. Look around. Do you see anything else there?
There. I can see it, yeah.
Take it out then.
There.
Over here. So obviously this is one of the new placements as well. And be very careful as this one's got some stingy nettles. Looks quite like real, is it?
Yeah.
Well, I hate these guys, but actually it's a geocache.
Yeah?
Like that we met here on the trail some other young people doing the backpacking. So they are not geocaching, but rambling, I guess, or what would you call?
Duke of Edinburgh.
Duke of Edinburgh. You can ask, are they Duke of Edinburgh?
Yeah. Two guys at the bottom of the road.
Yeah, so this is how it goes.
That's life.
Anyway, we are moving forward. We are doing maintenance for some of the DJ's caches here.
Yeah.
We did find How Does Your Garden Grow cache, which has very appropriate and very nice container.
Yes, definitely.
And then we are going to the curse number 4, the main reason why we are taking this route today.
Yes.
So, see you a bit, I guess.
See oli juhus, mis meid kokku viis ja terve õhtu kadus lennult siis, kus jäid mu tõsidus ja range joon, kas mul neid üldse olnud on. Veel eile võõras oli mulle ta, kuid täna öelda seda ma ei saa. Ta küsis lahkudes, kas näen veel teid ja ma ei suutnud öelda ei. Kas on see selle süü, et kevad käes on nüüd ja päike jälle kõrgel käib? Mu nägu tõsine, nüüd hõgub põsine ja süda kerge meelsust täis. Ei praegu meenutada suuda ma, kas oli blond või mustapäine ta ja silmevärv, kas oli pruun või hall või hoopis taevakarvad all. Mul näib ta kasvult polnud üldse pikk ja üsna veidi nagu häbelik, kuid lõppeks kõrvaline on see kõik, kui ainult rõõmu tunda võib. Kas on see selle süü, et kevad käes on nüüd ja päike jälle kõrgel käib? Mu nägu tõsine, nüüd hõgub põsine ja süda kerge meelsust täis. Veel eile võõras oli mulle ta, kuid täna öelda seda ma ei saa. Ja ehk ta nimegi ma veel ei tea, on temast mõelda, kui tea. Ja kui nüüd uuesti me kohtume ning tema meeldib mulle ikka veel, siis ennast suudelda ma väraval, võib-olla tõesti luban tal. Kas on see selle süü, et kevad käes on nüüd ja päike jälle kõrgel käib? Mu nägu tõsine, nüüd hõgub põsine ja süda kerge meelsust täis. Kas on see selle süü, et kevad käes on nüüd ja päike jälle kõrgel käib? Mu nägu tõsine, nüüd hõgub põsine ja süda kerge meelsust täis.
So what you doing now?
Maintain.
Maintain. So what's inside there?
Rubbish.
Rubbish. Don't say like that. It's a geocache.
Yeah.
People had good intentions.
What is that in there?
Yeah. Well, it is what it is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Anyway, today we met some young people here on the track, and apparently it's a Duke of Edinburgh walk. So, what is Duke of Edinburgh walk?
Well, Duke of Edinburgh walk is it's like a big treasure hunt, and it's like a big walk to find a camping thing.
Okay, so it's not geocaching, but it's got some similarities, I guess.
And you get a big certificate at the end. You get bronze, silver, and gold.
Okay. Have you done the walk of Duke of Edinburgh?
Yeah, I've done it once.
Okay, and how was it for you?
I got I didn't get my bronze certificate as I got put off by someone.
Okay.
I didn't complete it because I got put off by someone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, that's nice to hear. Hello.
Oh, Queen! Yeah, there's one Queen there.
I must say I am not enjoying this. This is a Ford under the water stretch of road, and to look for this geocache I need to understand the hint. I don't understand the hint. Three-legged beach space. Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to get down?
Yeah.
Take my hand. Here we go.
Thank you.
So we are safely and soundly back on the other side of the road.
Yeah.
So
Had a good natter with Hayley.
oh yes, we did had a nice chat with Hayley, whose name is Solar Pop, caching name.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going on to the Danbury Park now. There's another geocache to find.
Yeah. Amazing it is when we go for a lovely country walk. Malagard.
What that means?
Duck.
Oh,
That one there. With the green top on it.
oh, okay.
It's a male duck.
How do you make a difference? Which is male and which is female?
Well, the female's got different colour hair.
Okay. Yeah. I think the duck doesn't like I'm approaching to them. So I am now back in the train. I departed from the DJ and I'm getting back to Southend. It was a lovely day out. We got quite a few geocaches. Obviously I was listening to my own radio program which was airing today as well. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.